Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right in Settings, no prep wasted. Open Settings, make sure Bluetooth is enabled so other devices will see changes, then tap General and About. Once you're on About, locate the Name field. That's the system device name that Bluetooth broadcasts. Tap Name to begin editing. This is the actual change that other devices read, so choose something clear. If you want emojis or spaces, you can add them here. They'll appear to paired devices when the phone advertises. Now edit the name field directly. Type a concise, recognizable label, for example, Alex iPhone, and you can include emoji for easy scanning. Once done, tap Done to save. That writes the new device name into System Settings. Make sure to close Settings to let the system commit the change. If paired devices don't immediately show the update, turn Bluetooth off and back on, or disconnect and repair the device, because some devices cache the old name until they refresh their list. Finish by verifying the new name on the other device. Open its Bluetooth list and look for the updated label. If you don't see it, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart your iPhone to force a broadcast refresh. Make sure the other device hasn't cached the old name. If it has, unpair and then repair. That usually resolves stubborn cases. If problems persist, reset network settings only as a last resort because it removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.